Have you ever wondered why controlling audio in a conference room or a smart home can be so challenging? It seems like a simple task, right? But when we delve into the nitty-gritty of audio control technologies, we quickly realize that it's not as straightforward as we'd like it to be. Let's begin with the problem of simultaneous conversations. Imagine you're in a bustling conference room with multiple conversations happening at once. The current technology struggles to separate these overlapping dialogues, resulting in a cacophony of voices that can be hard to comprehend. This lack of clarity is more than just an annoyance. It can lead to miscommunications, missed information, and ultimately, less productive meetings. Next, let's talk about smart speakers. These devices are designed to make our lives easier, but they often struggle to distinguish who is speaking to them. If multiple people are talking, or if there's background noise, the smart speaker can get confused. This might mean it responds to the wrong person, misunderstands commands, or even fails to respond at all. This can be frustrating and disrupt the flow of our daily routines. Then there's the issue of creating different audio zones within a room. This is the concept of having separate sound bubbles, where different audio can be played without disturbing others in the room. It's a fantastic idea, but one that current technologies have struggled to realize. The result? We're often forced to compromise on our audio experiences, which can be particularly problematic in shared spaces like offices or homes. These challenges might seem daunting, but they're not insurmountable. In fact, they're precisely the kind of problems that inspire innovation and drive technological advancements. And that's where the adaptive acoustic system comes in. It promises to tackle these issues head-on, using cutting-edge artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way we control audio. But what if there was a solution that could address these issues? An adaptive acoustic system is on the horizon. Imagine a network of tiny robotic vacuum cleaners, but instead of cleaning, they're controlling sound. Picture this. You're in a bustling room, a cocktail party perhaps. Conversations are overlapping, laughter echoes, glass clinks against glass. Now imagine if you could isolate the sound of just one conversation, or even create a silent zone in the middle of all that noise. This might sound like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but it's not. It's the power of adaptive acoustic technology. Let's simplify this. Picture those tiny robotic vacuum cleaners. They roam around your house, sucking up dirt, navigating obstacles, and returning to their charging stations when they're done. Now, replace the vacuum with a microphone and the dirt with sound. That's the essence of this new technology. Using artificial intelligence algorithms, these microphone bots control sound within a room. They can create silent zones, separate simultaneous conversations, and even distinguish who is speaking to smart speakers. And just like those robotic vacuums, they can autonomously position themselves around the room and return to a charging station when needed. Each microphone bot is a part of a larger network. They work together, communicating and coordinating to capture and control sound. Think of it as a symphony orchestra, where each instrument contributes to the harmony. Here, each microphone bot contributes to the sound control, working together to create the perfect acoustic environment. The artificial intelligence algorithms are the master conductors of this orchestra. They instruct the microphone bots, telling them where to go, what sound to capture, and how to adjust in real time. These algorithms learn from their environment, adapting and improving with each interaction. They're not just following a set of predetermined rules, they're learning, growing, and evolving, much like a living organism. The beauty of this technology lies in its versatility. The microphone bots can be as discreet or as prominent as you want them to be. They can blend into the background, quietly controlling the sound, or they can be the stars of the show, visibly enhancing the acoustic experience. This isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a technology that's being developed and refined right now. It's not yet fully implemented, but the potential is there. And as advancements in artificial intelligence and robotics continue, the possibilities are endless. So remember those tiny robotic vacuum cleaners? They were once a novelty, a futuristic concept. But now they're a common sight in many homes, revolutionizing the way we clean. This new technology, these microphone bots, they have the potential to do the same for audio control. Just as robotic vacuum cleaners have revolutionized home cleaning, this technology could revolutionize audio control. We're on the cusp of an acoustic revolution, and it's exciting to imagine what the future holds. This adaptive acoustic system brings to the table some remarkable features. Imagine walking into a room and having the ability to create different audio zones within it. Picture having a group of friends over and being able to carry out separate conversations without the fear of overlapping voices. This is the magic this new technology brings. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms to control a network of autonomous microphones that can create silent zones within a room or isolate simultaneous conversations. It gives you the power to manage sound in a way that was previously unimaginable. One of the most striking features of this technology is its ability to distinguish who is speaking to smart speakers. The system is so intelligent it can identify different voices and respond to them accordingly. This means your smart home will know exactly who's giving it commands, adding an extra layer of personalization to your smart home experience. The genius doesn't stop there. These microphones, which bear a striking resemblance to miniature robotic vacuum cleaners, have the ability to autonomously position themselves. They can move around, find the perfect spot to capture sound, and adjust their position as needed. This eliminates the need for manual adjustments and provides optimal sound control. Furthermore, these microphones are designed to return to a charging station when their power runs low. This feature ensures that they are always ready to serve you, reducing downtime and making the system even more reliable. The most exciting part? This technology is not fully implemented yet. It's still in its infancy, and as it grows and evolves, we can expect even more impressive features and capabilities. In essence, this technology is a game changer. It's revolutionizing the way we control sound in our environments. It's making our interactions with smart speakers more personalized and efficient. It's giving us the ability to manage multiple conversations within a single space. And it's doing all this while being self-sustaining and autonomous. This technology is poised to take audio control to a whole new level. So, where could we see this technology in action? Imagine walking into a conference room, where instead of a centralized microphone system, a network of miniature microphones autonomously positions itself around the room. These tiny devices, akin to robotic vacuum cleaners, could identify the speaker and adjust their position to ensure optimal audio capture. No more struggling to hear someone seated at the far end of the table. No more fiddling with microphone sensitivity settings. This is the future of audio control in public spaces. But the application of this technology isn't limited to conference rooms. Consider a bustling restaurant where multiple conversations are happening simultaneously. With this system, the microphones could create isolated audio zones, letting you hold a private conversation amidst the surrounding chatter. This could truly revolutionize the way we experience public spaces, bringing the cone of silence from the TV series Get Smart to life. And what about our homes? How many times have you called out to your smart speaker only to have it misinterpret your commands? With this technology, smart homes could accurately recognize who is speaking to the smart device, even in a room full of people. It could create unique audio zones within a room, allowing multiple users to interact with their smart devices simultaneously without any crosstalk. This could also prove beneficial for those with hearing impairments, creating a more inclusive environment. The technology could potentially shape the audio to cater to an individual's specific hearing needs, enhancing their interaction with the world. In classrooms, this technology could be a game changer. Imagine a scenario where each student has their own personal audio zone. Even in a classroom full of students, each one could listen to the lecture without any background noise. This could significantly enhance the learning experience, making education more accessible for everyone. So, where could we see this technology in action? The answer is practically everywhere. From conference rooms to restaurants, homes to classrooms, the potential applications of this technology are vast and varied. As this technology continues to develop, it could fundamentally change the way we manage audio in our daily lives. As we look towards the future, the possibilities seem endless. The potential of this innovative technology is immense. It could revolutionize the way we interact with audio in our daily lives, offering unprecedented control and customization. Imagine a world where conference rooms are equipped with these adaptive acoustic systems. Each microphone independently positions itself for optimal audio capture, ensuring everyone is heard clearly. No more awkwardly passing around a single microphone or straining to hear a softly spoken colleague. Consider also the potential for smart homes. These miniature robotic microphones could distinguish who is speaking to smart speakers, creating individual audio zones within a room. It's like having your personal cone of silence, straight out of Get Smart. As we advance into the future, this technology could become a standard feature in homes and offices, transforming our relationship with sound. The road ahead is full of exciting possibilities as we continue to push the boundaries of what's achievable. With the adaptive acoustic system, the future of audio control looks promising indeed.